Hey there, welcome to a new video. Today we're diving into a common problem encountered by Windows 11 users in a Microsoft Paint app. The issue lies with the Copilot button for AI image generation that is present on the right side of the ribbon bar. Some users have expressed a desire to hide or remove this button, but is it actually possible? In terms of the solution, unfortunately, there is no way currently to remove the Copilot icon in the Windows 11 version of Microsoft Paint. While some users have shared that disabling the chatbot's co-create mode may provide some success, the consensus is that the Copilot icon still remains in the toolbar regardless of whether they were able to disable the underlying tool or not. In summary, if you've been struggling with the Copilot button conundrum in Microsoft Paint on Windows 11, it seems like for now, you'll have to make peace with its presence. Remember, sometimes in the tech world, we just have to learn to live with those pesky little icons. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time,